Hello everyone, so today I'll be unboxing this Yoongi puzzle thingy. Sorry for the weird angle. I'm at home right now and I have a lot of things on my desk, so I can't film on my desk. I still need to organize it and stuff like that, so I'm just filming on top of my bed. And sorry if you hear like buzzing noises, that's the AC, and it's really hot right now, so I don't want to turn it off. So let's just open this one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There's Yoongi looking cute. Here on the side, there's the back, top, and let's open it. And there's the puzzle. There's only I think like 108 pieces, so it's not that much, but this is what I bought it for. The photo card. Oh yeah, so it's like a clear photo card. Can you see that properly? I can't really see properly, sorry. Let's see, this way. Yeah, I think that's better. This way. Yeah, so there's Yoongi, and the back is like that. So let me just assemble the puzzle really quick. Okay, so here's the finished puzzle. Let me go get it. Here it is. Here's Yoongi. Can you see that properly? Not sure. Sorry if there's a glare. It took me a long time to do this, honestly. It took me like 40 minutes just for this small puzzle to do it. It's because the sun is really glaring at my face, and there's a lot of glare in my room right now, so it was really hard to see. And the camera position, I'm not used to it yet. So yeah, here's Yoongi. There's no frame that comes with it, so I'm gonna have to buy like a new frame, and there's also no glue, so I'm gonna have to buy some puzzle glue myself. But here it is, looking beautiful, Yoongi. I'm gonna have to hang this in my wall. That's it, that's my unboxing. Thank you for watching.